Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. It's John here on what is a first for me. A whole new series of videos are coming, a whole new load of tech I've got, and it's first time recording with this new software that I've had to fork out for. I've been previously using free screen recording software, and the quality hasn't been great. I've also got now the ability for you to see this. I can do reaction videos. Oh my goodness. Reacting to Protons. And I can also do new stuff with my new microphone. So hopefully the audio quality will be better. I've bought this, 60 quid this cost me from Curry's. It's a Yeti Nano, so apparently it's a good little thing. Anyway, if you haven't already smashed subscribe, please do. Please give the video a like. It helps support me and what we do on the channel, which is talk about nonsense and cars. And today, if you haven't already got there already, we are looking at Protons on Car and Classic. We're weighing up two. There's two for sale. One, which is beautiful, that I really would like, which is this, the 1993 Proton 1.5 SE Aeroback. It's got a light bar, which is awesome. It's got aircon, and it is cheap. It's cheap as chips. And this, which is some dealer trying it on with something he bought for 500 quid. I know that because I know how much he paid for it. I know where it came from, and I've been supplying bits for it. Anyway, which one do you want to start with? Let's start with the bad one first and foremost then. So it's 2495, £2,495. It's an early car. It's a 1989 and it is being sold by IGM Pedigree Motors in Macclesfield, Cheshire. That's the phone number if you want to give them a call. It's £2,495 and it's covered 48,000 miles. It is a TV star. They've said it's a TV star. It is. It's been featured on quite a few different things and bits and pieces. Most prominently and probably the most famous thing is Emmerdale, and we will talk about that in just a moment's time. Let's have a look at some of the photographs then. It's a G-Reg. It is a GLS. You can tell by the striping, the pinstriping here, and you can tell by the fact that it says GLS. It's not wearing its original turbine wheel trims. They should be the slotted turbine ones, but it is an early car. It's a 1989, and it's an Aeroback. It's in this like motley bluey grey colour. And there it is. It's being used for filming there for Emmerdale on the North Yorkshire moors, and it belonged to Mr. Dingle's wife or girlfriend, whatever she was called. There it is. You can see it's an Aeroback. You can see it's a GLS. Don't like these blooming boot lights that stick out like that, like an old Nissan Micra. Don't like those. There's the interior then. It's got good interior for an early GLS, I won't lie. There will be a rip or a tear in this seat here. There will be. Guarantee you. It's not pictured, but there will be. Rear interior looks fine. Headrests are good. They've got the original headrests as well. Blackburn Bristol 27. Yeah, that is the original stereo for it. The reason being it doesn't work for rear speakers. It doesn't have rear speakers. That's why it's a Bristol. Let's have a look at this. Is there a video? Oh no, I can't play this video. This is something else it was featured in. I can't remember. But if you was to Google it, you can see there's some trim. It's been added now, actually. There was some trim missing, but this is quite nasty, isn't it? The fact that you're going to have to paint the back bumper before you can do anything with it. It's got its 8-valve Magma engine then. Oh, it's got its Burger paint code as well. Look, 10712. Yeah, there it is. What's it say on the description? We're pleased to have one of the earliest surviving Protons registered in the UK. Not the earliest, though, because that belongs to me. Yes! That's my Black Knight, by the way. This example, a 1.3 GLS Aeroback in silver. Doesn't look silver, does it? It looks more blue. Covering 48,000 miles in 34 years. 3 owners. Registered 1st of August 89. I'm double checking now that my Proton is the earliest. Woo! April 89. Then it went to a production company, which it did, and has been used by Emmerdale. Yes, remarkable condition. Aftermarket wheel trims, fine. original Blaupunkt stereo, Webasto sunroof. It will leak. The sunroof will leak. It will leak. Analog clock, mud flaps, and a full-size spare wheel. Not even sure if it has an ECU. It does. No service history. New exhaust system. Oil and service. There was some trim missing on it a little while ago. We've now supplied the trim. Obviously, it's been fitted, the trim that was missing, which is good. That's good that the dealer's gone to that extent. But 2495, no, not a chance. Don't pay. Please, if you're thinking about buying a Proton, come to me. I will find you a Proton. I will find you a better Proton than that, and it will not be £2,500. Promise you. That's a Coupland promise. Right, 1993 Proton 1.5 SE Aero back with a light bar and aircon. Told you I'd find you one. Here it is. This is the one you want. £1,395. It is an L-Reg. It is an aeroback. It looks black. It's not. It's a dark metallic green. It is an absolutely stunning car, this car. It's an absolutely beautiful car. And I know my Protons, and I know this Proton. I was offered it a couple of years ago, 700 quid. Wish I'd bought it. Didn't buy it. Should have done. Now 1395. Do I still want it? Yes. May I still buy it? Yes. Are talks ongoing? Yes. Let's have a look at it then. It's beautiful. It is L-Reg. It's got some things on it that are aftermarket that we want to take off if we want to make it perfect, which would include this light bar. It would have to go. This number plate surround. And at the moment, it's got the wrong wheel trims on. They aren't SE wheel trims. They are GL wheel trims, which we would be replacing. Isn't she beautiful? What a car. And actually, from the front and the side, looks gorgeous. Not so much the back. I am a sucker for a saloon, as you know. I am a sucker for originality. And the more I look at this car, the more I want it, genuinely. It has a beautiful velour interior. Things that will go wrong with this interior include this vinyl getting damaged. There'll be a bit of damage on the driver's seat. I can guarantee that. It's got some beautiful Proton velour floor mats, which actually, I've never seen those before. I've never seen those before in there. Brown interior. This sticker here normally goes missing. I am so glad it's there in the car. Someone has clearly looked after this. Someone has clearly looked after this car. And it's done a lot of miles. It's done sort of 90-odd thousand miles. It's got the original Blaupunkt stereo. And it's an SE, so we're getting things such as power windows. There they are, power windows. We're getting things such as a digital clock. We're going to be an SQM29. Yep, there it is. And also, see that little button there? It's got aircon. As far as I'm aware, probably the only Proton of this ilk, of this era, left in the UK with aircon. That was an extra. This car would have been 10 grand new. It really would. You're joking. You think I'm joking? Nope. It would have been 9.5, 10 grand. Someone will have walked into the dealer, they'll have spec'd the optional paint, they'll have spec'd the air conditioning, they'll have anti-rusted, it had all the anti-rust done, all the protection done. That light bar has been fitted in the past 10 years. But honestly, it would have been a 10 grand car back in the day. Here it is then at a show, we're looking shiny, shiny, shiny. There it is without the wheel trims in, not looking shiny, shiny, shiny. But if you want to buy a Proton today, that's the one to buy. It really is. Former demo dealer demonstrator. Of course it is. Metallic paint, air conditioning, SE model. Comes with the velour upholstery, electric windows, tilt and slide sunroof. It'll be a Webasto sunroof. Central locking, door mirrors, tinted glass, rear spoiler, digital clock, the whole shebang. And then the grille from Malaysia. It's a shame we don't have the original grille included in the sale. But it is a Proton that I would suggest if you're looking for one for not a lot of money, 1395, you end up probably picking up. More stuff is coming on the channel. If you've liked this video, let me know. If you've liked this thing in the bottom here with me talking, let me know. Your comments are always greatly appreciated. There's some great stuff coming up between now and April. We've got some more classic car hunting. I've got something joining the fleet. I've got something leaving the fleet. And I'm also going to be doing some podcasts, not just me, people who I'm going to be collaborating with. So that is going to be quite good. Till next time then, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. Please like and subscribe. Watch some other things. Let me know what you thought. And maybe you could consider buying this old 93 SE Aero back. But don't, because I want it. Take care. Bye-bye.